So I like to call this the hot AF top knot. All you need is a little bit of an iron and flat iron. Create some undone texture. I'm gonna flip her hair right here and give her a side part because I want this to all be left out of the top knot. Brush out some of this texture, but you don't have to be too crazy when you're brushing it out. Since we already have this bang situation going on, you don't need to worry about any kind of parting. So just kind of pull it up. These little baby hairs in the back that are at the nape of the neck, I think are sexy personally, and I think it's nice to leave those out. So if you were gonna do a top knot that's super sleek, obviously you don't want any bumps to go in, so you're gonna use a brush that is a little bit more concentrated with the bristles. But for this look, I don't want it to look too done looking. I always think that the best rule of thumb is to always like go from the chin to the top of the head, and that's gonna be the most flattering. However, with this, I want it to be like at the top of the head. This hair bungee is like so amazing. You just literally latch it in and pull it around, and then you just stick it in. It's almost like a bobby pin, which is epic. Make sure that you dig the placement. And now we have this like cool pony. Grab some sections, be messy about it. You don't have to be perfect, and just back comb a little bit. I like to twist while I'm pinning. These little corkscrew things, you can get them at most beauty supplies, are a lifesaver. It's literally like 10 bobby pins in one. Just screw it in, which makes it so easy to come out afterwards. Take some French pins, detail out how you want the hair to look. Purely a screw, spray painted it, gold, and I will just add this into it just to give some extra drama. More French pins, just secure. Once our bun is done and we have our accessory locked in, I like to take a little bit of thick spray, but you could also use a texture spray. Pull it apart. This is once again the 1 1/4 inch iron. I want the bangs to be super airy, so I'm gonna go from underneath. Kind of like the twist and pull method, except for I'm going all in the same direction. Spray some thick spray and zhuzh it in. Take my favorite toothbrush, aka hairbrush, and fuzz it out. Because it's purely for like, you know, a festival, it's nice to have these little pieces out because it really doesn't look like you tried hard. Do you dig it?
I love it.